Cambodian queen.
Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and I forgot to say hi, my name is Bethany. Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. If you're new to this channel, I'm Bethany here. Welcome to Bethany's Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys my pretty much everyday makeup routine when I do wear makeup. And yes, I already have my eyebrows done because I'm not going to show you guys how I look without my eyebrows right now because I already did a whole new video before, my first video that I posted. So before we get started with today's video, if you guys could like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notifications to get notified every time I post a brand new video. Your post notifications. Anyways, let's go. Okay, to begin, I'm gonna tone my face with this toner right here, which I highly recommend. And I'm just gonna put it all over my face. I'm not gonna use too much, but not too little. It's always good to prep your face. Talk about how quarantine's going for me. Yeah, I've gained so much weight and I'm kind of upset about that. Now I'm gonna put sunscreen on. So like I've been trying this like workout by Chloe Tings, and like I literally stopped. Like I need like a motivation to work out a lot. So I've been trying to eat better, but then like it's like I can't go cold turkey on things. Like it's difficult. Like I love freaking hot chips, and I know it's like the purpose of hot chips are like to be addicted to them, and that's what I am, you know. And I'm gonna put moisturizer, more moisturizer, because my face be dry. But I've been trying to go on diets. I've been trying to do the water diet. If you guys want me to do that video, okay, you guys can go ahead and comment down below on the water diet and I did try the egg diet. So if you guys want like a video or a clip on how I did that diet and how it went with me, I can go ahead and do a video on that if you guys would like. So now I'm gonna prime my face. So now I'm gonna apply my foundation, which I have the MAC foundation, and I'm not gonna put too much because you know if you put hella, your face be cakey, and I'm not trying to get that. So I literally just put this much and see how this looks. Try to make it like as natural as possible. Huh? Right here.
Why is it so big?
Put water. Okay, so apply. I don't know why I'm looking through this camera. I'm actually looking at the mirror. Okay. Is there like any like good diet stuff that you guys can put me on with and that you guys follow? I tried meal prep, but I be getting hungry after 8. I used to try to do from 12 o'clock, like eat fasting from 12 o'clock all the way to 6, and then I couldn't do it, so then I changed it to 8 and I was still hungry. And then like the crazy thing is when we do have food, the food is not ready until like 8 at night.
And whenever she does her diets, the time that she does her diets, that's when we have
good food. Yeah, one time like we made pho, which everyone doesn't like it when we call it that, so we call it dil tuk, which means noodles with soup, and that's what pho is called, but Khmer style of course. And then coming from that, like I didn't eat it for 2 days and I was on the egg diet, and next thing you know I literally only did the egg diet for 2 days. Well, kinda, like I started eating at the end of day 3, but I did lose 5 pounds. So something benefited that kind of. Okay, now I'm gonna apply my concealer. Yes, it is like a couple shades lighter than me because that's how concealer should be, so it can conceal your under eyes and everything. I think that's pretty much where I put it at. Sometimes I try to cover my freckles, so let's see if it works this time. Ah! What happened?
The iPad 11 is like with the iPhone 11.
This is iPad 11?
Uh-huh.
I'm just gonna blend it in.
We should do a Q&A when you do your makeup.
Q&A, I have no questions.
I got you.
Okay, I guess this is a Q&A too. Wow, this video is all over the place. Yeah, Bethany's life is all over the place. Period. Oh no, I think I applied too much up here. But it's okay. My forehead is not even big. Okay, so this looks good. I should feel pretty good about this right now. Who's gonna ask me the questions?
So, what's your name?
My name's Bethany Sambachin. Wait, hold up. And now I'm gonna bake my face. So I use this for college. Oh, Benefit Cosmetic. Pretty good. I got 10% off on it, so I had to try it out, you know.
What's your height?
I am 4'10", so I'm really tiny.
So explain, let you explain to them what you're doing.
I'm baking my face.
Show them how to bake.
Okay, so you just pat some powder here, and then where you put your concealer at is where you're gonna bake to highlight your face. Highlight. So, of course you can see the difference because it kind of brightens it up more. So like that.
Age?
I'm 19.
Birthday?
October 12th, 2000. Yes, I am a freaking Libra. Okay, so now I'm just kind of patting out the baking powder away. Yeah, so now you can see the difference. Like, it looks more highlighted on the places that you did apply the powder. Okay, so next, after I do that, I usually contour, but I don't know what my contour palette is, but we don't need to talk about that. So I'm just gonna apply bronzer. This is bronzer. I don't know what my contour is.
Oh, does your mom have it in the bathroom?
I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and use the deep bronzer on the top here. Here is the palette that I got from Target. It's the Physicans Formula Butter Collection. Whaley Hong. True. Okay, no, we but it's one step at a time. We're going as a pack, you know? That we all learn together.
Who's your girl BFF?
Daphina. I really, yeah. We can be friends if you're watching this video. Besties for life.
Slide up in her DMs. Your guy BFF.
My boyfriend, of course.
Is your crush?
My boyfriend. Okay, so pretty much I got how I want my face looking like. Without the contour, I guess it kind of like doesn't show the bronzer that much, but it makes me lighter, which I kind of like. I guess I'm gonna start sticking with just bronzer instead of contour, or start just using contour by itself, because I feel like bronzer and contour together. I don't even have a makeup blender.
Okay, so I'm here to entertain you guys now. Hi, my name is Daphina. She's coming back.
Okay, so now I'm just gonna add a transition color using this brush. It's kind of close to like blending brush, I guess, but not really. But I use this one to apply the transition color, and most of the colors are blended. So we're gonna start, I'll show you on this side, by the top with the Hang 10. So right here on my Morphe palette. So I'm just gonna apply this all over. I feel like I'm gonna do more natural look. Okay, now I'm like, don't know what I'm doing. Oh, here it is. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this Wet n Wild one, and I'm gonna take the orange because I feel like doing like an eyeshadow, more like a sunshine thing. Maybe like some of the red in a bit, but I'm gonna go ahead and start adding some of this orange to make it like this eyeshadow brush thing that I'm using. It's coming off. Yes, girl, yes. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can tell that some of the orange is on it. And then I went ahead and added some of the red on here, so it looks a bit more red now. Sorry, my camera cut it, but I decided to add some sunnies in right here, which I got as a gift a while ago. And I like using the color right here that's called Champagne. Oh, first I can't freaking read that, but I'm gonna go ahead and apply it with my finger because I don't have a highlight brush, but it's okay, it still works, you know. Some color right here. Okay, and then this is pretty much my makeup look, and I do sometimes apply mascara, but I don't have any. I'm literally broke all makeup and everything. Looks good, feels good, you know. It's natural, it's like nice. Let's see a better look.